So we've got an EM80 magic eye tube hooked up to an electrophoresis power supply that can go up to 250 volts DC. I've got 6.3 volts on the two heater pins. There's positive 250 volts DC going to pin 7 and pin 9. In between the power supply and pin 7 I put 3 resistors on there. They total 660 ohms, sorry. And the negative 250 DC goes from the electrophoresis power supply to pin number 2. So pin number 1, I just hooked up a green little cable, and if we touch it to the line going to pin 7, you'll see the eye close, open and close. I'm touching the pin 1 cable to the line going to pin 7 after the power supply, of course, and after the resistor. So the resistors are there. The resistors have to be there to work, or else it doesn't really open and close. But you're connecting pin 1 after all the resistors. So we'll do this, and you can see it kind of open and close. And it's hard to do, not get electrocuted, but there you go. It takes a toll on the power supply. It dips down, the voltage really sags, but this is just for fun. So as you can see, it's slowly climbing back up. I had it set to 200, and I will include schematics, a really simple schematic on how to light your magic eye tube, at least an EM80, which is the fan-shaped 4-leaf clover rabbit's foot tube. That's what they call it. It opens and closes like a fan. It's really simple. It's just a bunch of wires, a 200 VDC power supply. A couple minutes ago I was using a power supply I made from a disposable camera flash unit, and it worked just as well, but I just got this in the mail from eBay, so I thought I'd test it out. I used a wall wart that was about 6 volts. I plugged that into the wall. The other wires you just snip off, like a phone charger type thing. You snip that off, and those are the yellow wires. They go to the heater pins. It doesn't matter which side. You can use AC on the heater pins or DC. Everything else has to be DC. And on the blog, I'll show the super simple way to hook this up.